How to earn money easily. It's important to note that there is no guaranteed way to earn money easily or quickly. Many legitimate methods of earning money online or offline require effort, dedication, and time to see results. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Sell unused items. Sell unused or unwanted items around your house on websites like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. This can be a quick way to earn some extra cash. Go through your home and identify items that are no longer useful or valuable to you. Research the value of the items you want to sell by looking at similar items on websites like eBay, Amazon, or Craigslist. There are many online platforms to sell your items, including eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and more. Each platform has its own rules and fees, so choose the one that works best for you. Participate in paid focus groups. Participate in paid focus groups or surveys in your area. You can find opportunities by searching online or signing up for websites like focusgroup.com or findfocusgroups.com. You can find focus group opportunities through market research companies, online surveys, or by searching for local focus group facilities in your area. Websites like focusgroup.com or findfocusgroups.com can also help you find focus group opportunities. Do odd jobs. Offer your services for odd jobs like pet sitting, lawn care, or cleaning. You can find these opportunities through word of mouth or by posting on community websites or apps like TaskRabbit. Think about the skills and services you can offer. For example, you may be able to offer pet sitting, lawn care, or cleaning services. Create flyers, business cards, or online profiles to advertise your services. You can post your services on community websites or apps like TaskRabbit, Craigslist, or Nextdoor. You can also advertise your services on social media or by word of mouth. Rent out a spare room. If you have a spare room, consider renting it out on websites like Airbnb. This can be a great way to earn some extra income. Check your local zoning laws and homeowners association rules to ensure that renting out a room is legal in your area. Make sure the room is clean, furnished, and in good condition. You would want to consider adding some amenities like a desk, chair, or closet space to make the room more appealing to potential renters. Take on freelance work. Offer your skills as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. This could be a great way to earn money if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or web development. Think about the skills you have that are in demand. This could be writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, or any other skill you have that businesses or individuals might need. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.